Well folks, we're going to make our fish broth, right? So I have some nice sliced Spanish mackerel, or what we call kite, right here, right? And I'm going to show you guys the seasoning we're going to blend up to season this. Now in Trinidad and Tobago, we are big at seasoning our meat and fish with green seasoning. So let's take a look at what we're going to add to it, right? Right, so folks, here's what we have, right? We have pudina thyme. We're going to blend it together. We have some chive I just picked from the kitchen garden. We have some oregano leaves, nice green oregano leaves, and some celery that I picked. Remember I showed you guys a video where I was planting some celery in the bamboo? Folks, these are the celery that I harvested this morning. Look at this, folks. Right? And we have some other seasoning here, and this is some pimento peppers that I harvested also from my kitchen garden. And we're going to use these ingredients, blend them together to make a fish broth, right? So stay tuned, man, and let's see how this fish broth will turn out. So we have some garlic we're going to blend as well together with these pimentos here from the kitchen garden. I'm going to use this to season our meat. We're going to put some onions as well to season the fish. Okay, straight into the blender. So the first thing we're going to add, we're going to chip some onions in, just like this. Onions. Alright. Add some salt. Let's kind of add the salt in here. Kind of take some in here. Where are they? Some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna add our green seasoning now. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna kind of mix everything in, just like this. With a spoon, we're gonna mix everything in just like that, and leave it to what we call kusume or marinate. Alright, it's smelling really, really good, folks. Look at that, folks. Wow, smelling really, really, really good. Body broth, right? This is something called green fig or green bananas. What's your good name? Right? So this is the main ingredient when you're making fish broth. Main ingredient. Right, you just pass your knife along the corners like this, just like this. I love green fig in broth, you know, folks. Let me know in the comments below if you love green fig in broth, but to me it's one of the main ingredients. How about okra? We have okra's sacks. How far you living? Pinal? Oh shucks. No, we can't send Pinal for our okra already. Well folks, this is our main ingredient in fish broth. What you going on? Pot on stream already? Uncle Snaky cutting up some okra. I love okra in broth, you know. Yeah, and what is that thing floating there, boy?
I to make the sauce. A pepper.
Uncle Snaky busy at today, watch him.
Yeah, man.
Buenas noches, señor.
¿Qué necesito?
I need a sampler.
¿Para qué? ¿Sopa de pescado?
Sopa de pescado. ¿Tú comes picante, señor?
Sí, me gusta picante. Poquito, no mucho.
No mucho. Well, folks, here we're going on things taking shape here already. What you want on the fire? Fire blazing up there, man. Alright, so give them a nice little stir there. Some potatoes right here, folks. And we have our green fig right here. So the broth in the making. So we added some macaroni to the broth.
That's like last time.
Macaroni.
Delay. Because
So folks, we're making a little appetizer there to go with the broth, right? So we have lime juice with a boiled pepper and some garlic clove. What else you putting inside it?
A little bit of the green seasoning.
And a little bit of the green seasoning.
you want to tell him now. I still
So folks, this is the pepper kind of getting diced up, you know, inside the lime juice. Right? Put the green seasoning here. Let me see what it looks like. So when you're eating broth, this is like an appetizer, folks. So in this now, we're going to add a little bit of green seasoning. Look at that. Alright, so then I have shadow benny, chives, celery, pudina thyme, a little bit of pudina thyme. Crushing some garlic.
Get it.
Right, so this mixing right here.
Now when you broth finish, take a couple spoonful and add it to it. Yeah.
So what you're saying is that when you broth finish, you put a little bit of the
Sauce.
gravy from the
Broth.
pot, add it to this,
Nice.
and this is your perfect appetizer to go with the broth, folks. So folks, we have our fish here properly well marinated and going in now. Nice, look at it, folks. So everything kind of come to a boil now. Macaroni, carrots, okras, potatoes. What else you have there, Uncle?
Yeah, we had the fig.
Green fig.
We had the noodles.
Nice, man.
Right.
Let me see which one of the noodles you're using here. Fish.
Right.
Let me see the pack, please. No. The fish, the noodles. Right, let me see. So folks, this is what we use. This is a fish tea, Maggi fish tea. This gives it a nice flavor. Alright? So we're taking shape. You're almost there now.
Right.
You're almost there.
It's not a minute. I can take a
So folks, mission complete. Let's raise up, let's see what going on there. Oh, look at that folks.
smells nice too, eh?
Smells good, boy. So time to indulge, you know, folks.
and
Time to indulge.
what are you talking about?
So Miss Turi from
Pinal.
Pinal, give me an idea how.
Well,
Give me a review on the broth.
This broth is very good, very delicious. Who cooked this? They could really cook.
Go look the cook right here, you know.
Very good.
Uncle
You could
Snakey.
sell broth.
Uncle Snakey is the cook,
You
you know.
could sell broth, very good.
Señor Chili, dígame. Sabroso.
First time I eat a broth like this. I'm being honest.
Really?
I just cook. But first time I eat a broth, I don't know what you really put in it. But I had to find out.
Alright, man. So we're getting a good review so far. Caleb, how is it?
Very good.
See,
Well,
Caleb,
handsome though.
Caleb, using some of this sauce that
He
Uncle
sound-
Snakey make.
You know you your son.
Well, folks, nothing goes better with a fish broth than fresh lime juice, eh? Nice. Go let the seed fall down right there. So this guy is the number one taxi in Cedros, eh, folks. Anytime you want to travel from Point 14 to Cedros, look for this guy.
Alright, going down now.
Yeah, man.
Taste. Southwestern. Yeah.
No?
A real top of the line broth this. Yeah. Tasty.
Delicious.
Nice. Fish taste. You want nothing better than that day.
Fresh fish.
Fresh fish, fresh fish.